Hello and welcome to Let's See the ABC, a visualization of Latin languages, their complexity, and characteristics. Let's jump right in. On the left side, we have several languages to choose from to find out more about them. On the top side, we can choose which text we wish to base our visualization on. I'll start this visualization with Danish and the text Little Red Riding Hood. Let's start by taking a look at which countries is the Danish language spoken. Here we can see that Danish is the official language in Denmark, but not on Faroe Islands. We can also find out how many people speak the language, and other information such as special characters and diacritics. Danish, for example, doesn't have many diacritics, but has one special character. Perhaps it's time to change to a new language. I'll choose Portuguese this time. We can see the Portuguese diacritics now populate this information box. You'll also notice all of the other elements have now changed to reflect that Portuguese is now the selected language. To the right, a word cloud depicts the most used words for the chosen text. On the top right, a radar chart helps us depict a signature for the language. For example, we can see that Portuguese has plenty of letters in its alphabet, but not that many total characters, and the average word size isn't that big as well. We've always been told that Spanish and Portuguese are pretty similar languages. Is that true? Let's find out. I'll select Spanish as a language to compare on the right menu. You can now see that some elements of the visualization have been updated to match the new compare language, including the map and the radar chart. Alright, the two signatures seem pretty similar. Let's see how they fare across all texts. Well, they seem very close to each other across several samples, but maybe all languages look like that? Let's add another language to see. I'll add Romanian to the mix. And well, it seems that Romanian is very different to both Spanish and Portuguese. Let's go back to Portuguese, and this time, let's look at the heat map to see what information it gives us. Here, we can see at a glance all letter occurrences across all languages, and the languages selected for comparison are highlighted for ease of visualization. On the bar chart, a profile of the main language can be seen for each letter. We can easily notice that A seems to be the most common language across Portuguese. What happens for something like W though? We can easily sort by letter by pressing the corresponding letter on the graph. It seems like Polish is the language with the most uses of W. Finally, Romanian seemed like a really verbose language back there. Let's see how it compares with something like English, for example. Let's select English as a main language and Romanian for comparison. We can now use this text box to type a sentence in English and have an idea of how long it would be, on average, in Romanian. Looks like you need a lot more space in Romanian to express the same text. Help tooltips are spread throughout the visualization to give you information on each chart if you need any help. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.